Hi everyone, it is Jan here from Janc Art. Welcome back to my channel. I am working on a 40 by 40 centimeter canvas today. It is approximately 16 by 16 inches. As you can see, I have some crackle paste at the bottom part of the canvas, just to add some more interest to the painting. Let me just run through the colors really quick. This is Creative Inspirations Titanium White. That is one of my base coats. And the black one is an Artist Loft black. I mostly use the white one, as you will see. The black one is mostly just put in the mix. So colors, I have Decoart Satin Enamels, classic black. And then I have the Decoart Satin Enamels pure white. Nothing else is mixed in it except for my Floetrol mix, which I'll also go through. So this one is Decoart Satin Enamel Sterling Silver, but to spice it up a little bit, I also added some golden fluids in the Iridescent Silver Fine. Next one, Amsterdam Standard Graphite. And then we have this little piggy in King of Payne. I wanted to do a monochromatic landscape painting, and this definitely is a monochromatic landscape painting, I would say. I also did it with 3 different types of pours. So the first one you see here is an open cup, and the next one that I'll be doing is a flip cup. So poured from up high the paints into the cup so that they mix, and then flip it on the painting on the canvas. And then the last part is just pouring the colors on in different lines and then swiping all over that last part down on the crackle paste. In hindsight, I'm not sure that I would do the crackle paste again next time because of the way that I decided to finish this. Maybe if it had been a total black bottom part, it would have been different, but it's lesson learned. I really love the outcome, I will say. I had intended to actually paint some trees on it, the painting, once it dried, but after fitting it into a frame, silver frame, as you will see at the end, I really loved the outcome and decided to not mess with it anymore. So as you can see, I'm just doing the first part here, which was the open cup, tilting it so that we get some of the excess paint off, and then I'll be doing the flip cup after, and lastly the swipes at the bottom. As you will also see in the end, I use some cell activator oxide black Amsterdam mixed with Australian Floetrol, just to add some more interest on the bottom part especially. I think that I will let me just quickly tell you what my pouring medium is. I use the Malverk. It's the German equivalent to the European Floetrol. It's just a little thicker, so I thin it with Liquitex pouring medium, the gray label, and also GAC 800 to thin it out. And lastly, I'll put some water in the paints that are heavy body paints. This is the flip cup part. I really love the difference between the two. This really looks to me like a mountainside, a hillside, I guess, under the clouds. Really love the way that it came out. But yeah, I will be leaving you with some music from now, and I'll be back just going over the wet results, and at the end there'll be some dried results displayed in the Smartest app as well. Hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you for joining me. You all take care. Bye.
Let your body take control. You're on my mind, baby. Just move a little closer. And I say, oh, it's the night we'll both remember. Oh, sweet surrender.
And these are just a quick flyover of the wet results. I really love the outcome. I hope that you did too. There's some really interesting details in here. On the wet result you don't really see the crackle. You will on the dried results, which will be shown right after this. But yeah, some really cool details with the celling here that was made by the cell activator, the Australian Floetrol mixed with Amsterdam oxide black, and really some awesome reactions here. This is from the that was the open cup pour. These cells, the boulder cells, are from the open cup pour. Once again, I really hope that you enjoyed. Thank you for joining me. You all take care. Bye.